Now listen carefully. The strength of Doris Ogala is the silence and refusal to admit guilt of Pastor Chris.
Good morning or good evening, depending on your location. Please watch this video until the end. This is the pastor who advised Pastor Chris Okafor to publicly apologize to Doris Ogala. Watch the video.
Now listen carefully. The strength of Doris Ogala is the silence and refusal to admit guilt of Pastor Chris. If Pastor Chris Okafor can admit and say, yes, I dated her, because it's evident that they had this is a woman who was dating a pastor that was divorced. The pastor was not married, he was divorced. Are you getting what I'm saying? And they started having sex, which is a sin against God. Pay attention, please. It is a sin. So as a pastor, you shouldn't be doing that. But it happened. There is nothing we can do about it. Are you getting what I'm saying? It has happened. And now you told the pastor that your childhood friend wants to marry you. The pastor said, go ahead. You married your childhood friend, and while you were in that marriage, you say you didn't have feelings for the man. You left the man and went back to the pastor. You and the pastor continued the relationship again. Some things happened. You and the pastor broke up, and after about 2-3 years of breaking up, the pastor is getting married, and you are mad, ravaging mad on social media, dragging this man of God. I understand that the society places so much weight on men of God, and that's the problem. We see pastors as God, we see pastors as perfect people. Sorry, your pastor is not perfect. I am not planning to misbehave, and God will help me by discipline. I will not mess up. Are you getting what I'm saying? However, pastors are human beings, and the best of God's men are still men. Now the pastor is being dragged left, right, and center. This is a direct message to Dr. Chris Okafor. If I was to sit with you, Dr. Chris Okafor, I will advise you. Come out on a Sunday morning after delegation with your church elders and committee. Come out on a Sunday morning and tell the church, yes, I dated her. Yes, we had sex. It was a season of my life. I messed up and I own up to it. Let your church be aware that their pastor has said it, that whatever the lady is accusing her of, it is true. Apologize to the church. If it will take him down to step down, even though this thing happened years ago, let him step down for a while. Someone else should take over. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Let the man put himself under retreat. If he's to subject himself for deliverance or whatever, at least for a season. If not me, now what I go do? Say me, Pastor Ben Michael Jesuovie. Somebody come they drag me now based on what and what. You should know the kind of pastor you have. In fact, before it will come on social media, and I make the first call tell you. You know I can do that. I will come and tell you that. Am I talking to people here? Yes, sir. I will come out and I will tell you that. See, Pastor Ben did this, and this. So, I'm not supposed to do this. Now listen carefully. The strength of Doris Ogala is the silence and refusal to admit guilt of Pastor Chris. If Pastor Chris Okafor can admit and say, yes, I dated her, because it's evident that they had a relationship. Are you getting what I'm saying? It's evident they had a relationship. But if I was the pastor, I will come out on a Sunday morning and tell the church, yes, I had a relationship. Yes, we had sex, but we broke up on this ground, and this ground. She wasn't forced. Every sex was consensual. Listen carefully. Dating a woman for 3 years and this for 7 years and decide you're not going to marry her is not a crime. So Pastor Chris Okafor has not committed a crime, but he has committed sin. Are you getting what I'm saying? Let him settle it with God, and he should talk to the church publicly that, see, I did it. You will see that the power that Doris Ogala have over him will be limited.